Wanting peace at home? Speak with kindness. No yelling, no insults. Listen fully before responding. Respect personal space and privacy. Own your mistakes and apologize quickly. Share responsibilities. No one carries the whole load. Solve conflicts. Solve conflicts in private, not in front of others. No phones during meals. Prioritize your connection. And of course, celebrate each other's wins, big or small. Keep sharing family rules that keep peace in the house. Spread pure love, keep safe, and have a wonderful day. How to spread pure love and peace at home? Follow for more.